Open your banking app right now. Look at the number. It feels real. It feels solid. It feels like money you own. But that number is lying to you. Not because the bank is fake, but because modern money no longer represents real spending power. The number you see is not the money you have. Your bank balance shows what's visible, not what's promised. What it doesn't show. Subscriptions renewing silently. EM is scheduled for next week. Annual fees coming next month. Insurance, taxes, renewals, repairs. That money is already claimed. It just hasn't left yet. So the balance looks healthy, but your future self is already broke. This is why people feel confused about money. They didn't overspend today. They committed yesterday. Modern money is delayed pain. In the past, money hurt when you spent it. Cash left your hand. You felt the loss immediately. In 2026, spending is painless. Tap, swipe. Buy now, pay later. One-click renewals. The pain comes later, when flexibility disappears. That delay creates the illusion of wealth. You don't feel poor when you spend. You feel poor when you're stuck. Subscriptions are invisible leaks. Subscriptions don't feel expensive because they're small. But small recurring costs don't compete for attention. They compete for future freedom. One subscription doesn't hurt. 10 don't hurt either. Until you try to stop working, or move cities, or take a break. Then you realize your money is pre-spent. The balance lied. Because commitments don't show up as expenses until they execute. Future obligations reduce today's power. Real wealth isn't what you can buy today. It's what you can choose not to do tomorrow. If your income is already assigned to rent, payments, lifestyle maintenance, then your balance is cosmetic. Two people can have the same number in their bank account. One is flexible, one is trapped. Same balance. Completely different realities. Why this feels new and confusing. People aren't bad with money in 2026. They're dealing with invisible complexity. Money used to be simple. Earn to spend to save. Now it's earn to commit to subscribe to finance to delay to repeat. Your balance reflects the past. Your obligations live in the future. That gap creates anxiety, not because you're failing, but because the system changed faster than intuition. The real metric that matters. Stop asking, how much money do I have? Start asking, how much of my income is already spoken for? The smaller that number, the richer you are, regardless of balance. True financial clarity comes from knowing what's optional, what's fixed, what can disappear if you stop. Money is no longer about totals. It's about control. Your bank balance isn't lying out of malice. It's lying by omission. It shows cash, not commitments. And in 2026, commitments decide freedom. Wealth isn't a number on a screen. It's the ability to change direction without panic. If you want to understand money the way systems actually work, not the way apps display it, subscribe to Financial Patterns. Because once you see the illusion, you stop trusting the number and start building control.